My name is Ragashanti. You're in tune to Ragashanti. I want to send enough respect to the New York tri-state area. Ever lock in on a Friday night. You don't know it go every Friday night. Ragashanti live broadcast both on the bridge. 99 FM in Jamaica and also IrieJam radio right here in the big bad New York. Once a good night. Tonight, what's one reminding us that this is a talk show. We talk up with something on the show, yeah. And tonight, Mixup, Man-Wukliss, man, Mixup. Mixup. So if you don't know a Mixup man out there, if you had an experience with a Mixup man or a Mixup, we want to give it a call when the phone line open up. And by the way, Mixup man or Mixup do him not to be only about sex. Abidalas I sing about sort out right yes, but we want to know, say, we just want to remind you, say Mixup man and Mixup is not only about dugu. It's not only about hooking. It's not only about doing the something them, even though that in a mix too. You understand what I'm saying? So if you're not calling with some Mixup man and some Mixup mix up, just make sure say, you know, say it's a diverse thing. Yeah, you have some man that go low out the road. You have some woman that go low out the road. I want to just call in and just give you your experience of a Mixup man where you know about, or a Mixup where you come in contact with and you don't know the thing said. Now, Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica, I just want to big up all TamFamers all over the world. That is the Tambourine family members, them, you see. My people and foundation. Right away, we use a fana in a hospital and thing and whatever. And, you know, fana, I don't know, you know. Foundation people and long time people don't know fana in a hospital. I don't know if it's a COVID thing or what go on or sitting, but fana, just big up yourself, you know. Strength and protection and thing. Mary. See what you can do, check out what go on there. Dana from Pembroke, check out what go on there and thing and see who can rally around the general if you can rally around. I know say if a COVID, you can go in at the hospital, we know that's something there. If a COVID, you can go in at the hospital. But differently still, see what can go on. You want to put this as a president? You deal with this, so I'm just put this over here, sir. I juggle in a president. Worry yourself, man. All right, watch your right. Boom. Right, that's a now. See, president, that go on with. Which one? Another one, yeah? All right, then let me bring it. See, the work. Yeah, hold on there. Check. Check. All right, make it turn right, that's a. Back. I could see if that okay. I could see if that work out good. Okay, you don't know some little technical things go on more time. I'm going to have a juggle and mix up a thing and whatever. I have to ride and whistle as we say in Jamaica. Ride and whistle. Before we juggle right now, you know, so when you're there firing all the while, people ask you some things about Jamaica and thing, and I am a recognized expert on Jamaican culture, right? Both from a historical perspective and a psychocultural perspective and an anthropological perspective. That's what I'm training. But sometimes some people that come and ask you some simple little something, you know. So somebody did ask me, sir, Raga, what does time me out mean? Of course, me pick up right away, but me I say, what the context? You have to tell me what did that happen when you hear it. And she said, no, there was this guy, him like me, you know, and me and him talk. By the way, I get to that talk something there. Me and him talk. So I say, you and him talk, or you and him did just a talk on the phone, or somebody we are talk to. The way a woman talking are two different something that, you know. When woman say them a talk to a guy, them either check out the guy, or them like the guy, or them just starting a relationship with a guy, but them not there yet, you know. So when I say, I'm talking to this guy and it's somewhere in that range, but him not there yet. Him don't even have ratings for come around and friend them yet. Him don't even have certain ratings for she start give her friend them certain details yet. You understand? So when women say to them girlfriend, you know, like randomly say, no, you know, say I'm talking to this guy and right away them friend know say, this is somebody she meet recently, you know? Or them know say, yeah, she could have talked to him long time, but she not got there with him, you know. But she go and talk to him on a certain level and keep him on a certain, somewhere in that range there. But it's not is not just any regular guy, but at the same time, it's not somebody where she there with. Him not have outer road ratings yet. Him just have some mention ratings. Yeah, me I talk to this guy and whatever. Not even if the friend them know, so them know if it too for pry looking for like, well, the friend them not gonna ask like, Yan him there? No, them already know say not there. Them gonna ask like, him good looking, him cute, well, him nice, I just saw far because them know so the thing not there they say it. So when she tell me about this guy, I know one thing where she talk, I say, yeah. So I pick up, she said she talk to him. She and him talk. Not just on the phone, she and him talk. So right away, I know, say the man not have the ratings there yet. Him a check her out. She probably allow him to go and check her out. But it not there so yet. So I get the context now. I understand the context now what she say. So I say she explain further, say, she did fit go up on a little date with him. And she said she call him and tell him say she can't make a date. And then after that she had him a reason again on phone. And she said, him say, you time me out. When you remember when you did time me out when me had to go up on date and you time me out. And she said, what you mean time me out? And she said, him say, boy, you did not go up on date with me. And you time me out, you not go up on the date. So she know, I said, but me tell him say me can't go up on the date. What you mean by my time out? So she asked me. And I saw me explain to her now what in Jamaican culture, Jamaican lexicon, Jamaican language, tie me out mean. First of all, you must understand it came from the practice of tying out an animal, right? A big part of Jamaica is a pastoral society. Don't make the word, the two first syllables fool you. Pastoral have nothing to do with being a pastor, right? Basically, them rear animals and things and whatever, them something there, right? So a lot of Jamaicans raise animals, and when you wake up a morning time, a country, you have to go tie out the goat or tie out the cow or tie out whichever animal, some big animal. Of course, this not apply to like fowl and chicken and them something. But goat and cow, you have to go tie them out. What that means is you have to remove the animal from where you live and carry the animal go on one spot where grass there and them something there. And you tie up the animal, you tie out the animal at that spot where them can eat for the rest of the day. And then when night come down, you have to go back for the animal and bring them in. So, me born and grew at Kingston, but my mother determined so me and my sister have to go country every summer. Mile Gully, St. Mary. And when we did it, depending on who we are stay with, we did have to tie out animal. You understand? You know, but my family have never really raised a woolly pan, but a couple of times you end up a tie out animal, particularly when up on Peggy's side and thing. So that the tie out come from. So the tie out then, metaphorically, figuratively, it means say you carry the animal and put the animal someplace of your choice. And then the animal have to stay in other space there. The animal cannot stay at your home. You carry the animal from your spot, from your space, and carry them somewhere else and tie them out somewhere else where them have to stay over there. So, because you run the animal. It's you rule the animal. You decide where that animal going to go. And when you say that animal not in your space, that animal not in your surroundings or whatever, you carry the animal and you tie out the animal someplace else. Right? So that's where it come from. So what it mean now is that when somebody promise you something and them don't come through with it, Jamaicans, one way Jamaicans characterize that is to say them get tired out. You tie me out. So what she never understand, she thinks if she explain and call him before and tell him she can't make a date, she did think like, what there's a problem. But me I say, yeah, nothing wrong though. Even though you tell him you can't make the date, the fact say you did promise him you go upon the date, and you still never go upon the date, even though you called before, in Jamaican parlance, him can see that him get tired, you know, because him did a look forward for it and thing like that. you know, but you put him in a space of your choice that is oppositional or contradictory to what was promised or what was agreed on before. So I saw Jamaican when them say you get tired out. That means what you did, what the person did expect, them never get. All right? And every culture have them little language and them little things and things like that and whatever. I know Jamaican one, I don't know. I mean, know some American now from living here for a while, but I don't know too much anyway. But anyway, with a Wukliss man and Wukliss woman mix up. I want you to call in and give me any mix up what you know about with a Wukliss man or a Wukliss woman. And while when I pre them there, let me see what them say right now in the log. All right. Today is today what the 27th, Friday, August 27th. And I can see what I'm saying at the log right here. Outside of the Bridge 99 FM studio and the IrieJam studio. And thing it says today is National Dog Month. National Dog Month. Leon Smith. August a National Dog Month. I'm going to celebrate your month, my dog. Leon Smith. National Dog Month. Big up yourself a year month. Anyway, then we have Black Business Month. National Wellness Month. International Peace Month. Why? I sure them don't feel that way over there in where them go kill off the U.S. service men and women then. National Back to School Month. National Immunization Awareness Month. All right, and what them say celebrating today. Today is Forgive Your Foe Friday. National Petroleum Day. World Rock Paper Scissors Day. All right, and happy birthday them say to Lisa Anna, Miss Jamaica World 1993, Miss World 1993, and to anybody else that celebrate them birthday today. Well, you don't know, we're gone in a Virgo nation, you know. Even though at the end of August, we're gone in a Virgo nation. No, you understand? Virgo nation, the best sign there is. Me don't want an argument from nobody. Me don't want no argument from nobody. Okay, Virgo sign are the best sign, and September are the best month. Argument done. You don't come at me. Okay. All right. So Lisa Anna, big up yourself on your birthday, you know. Big up yourself on your birthday. People big and serious, you know. It would be interesting if Lisa Anna lead the PNP, you know, and up against Andrew, you know, because they come from the same generation type of thing. You understand? But the PNP in a shambles right here now and thing. But it would be interesting if you see like a Lisa Anna and a Andrew Onis a debate. Yeah. No, I would love to see that debate there. Lisa Anna and Andrew Onis a debate. I wonder who would win. That's what I'm mad, you know. Because Lisa can't talk things and Andrew can't talk up with something of them too. You understand? The two of them can juggle. So it would be interesting to see how that I go. Probably the PNP, probably one day the PNP are going to make Lisa Anna lead the PNP. And it would be interesting how that work out. And I don't want nobody come at me. I'm not endorse nobody or put up nobody because I know not done. But right now, so that is that for in the log when I see Forgive Your Foe Day. I want to go on there. So, Forgive Your Foe Friday has always been observed annually on the last Friday of August. Try to find enough forgiveness in your heart to alleviate any anger you may be feeling towards other people or even towards yourself. This can be difficult, but it's extremely necessary. Forgiving someone who has hurt you is difficult. Forgiving yourself is difficult. By not trying to forgive, we only add to the problem. Well, basically, this I say, don't make nobody get to you to the point where you walk around with one bag of stress and anger at people and this like and that. And it affect your life. It make you miserable at your workplace, your co-worker, them not like you. It give you all kind of stress. If you're a man, it make you stress depend you. You come quick when you start on. If you're a woman, it affect all your bodily function, monthly functions. And think people, them thing they affect woman them way, stress affect them way, they and thing. Cause all kind of hormonal imbalance in your body, which lead to all kind of emotional upheaval in your structure and in your constitution and all them. Stop walk around with people stress. Them say, you may have to forgive your foe, F-O-E. Me have to forgive your enemy. And let go that something there. And I walk around with them anger and all them thing there. Anyway, I'm telling you the phone number and thing on for calling with and sit this in the funner. If you're under the stress right, you know them saying in the hospital, big up yourself, prayers up and thing. With there, feel me general. All right, big up Fan the Fire and her husband in a Montego Bay. Marry the head girl, large up and thing. Jamaica linky, you don't know. Donna from Pembroke call, Miss Capleton and everybody down there and sitting. Keisha Powell, pick up, big up yourself. Big up yourself, pick up. Me see you live some breed of life, them Maddie. Chuck. Anyway, people, with upon Wukliss man and Wukliss woman mix up. Call in with any mix up on the app about a Wukliss man or a Wukliss woman. Call in with any mix up on the app about a Wukliss. Prezi! What President? Prezi! I cuss with that boy. Prezi! Anyway, the number is 676-4996. 676-4996. 67. Okay. 676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996.
We don't need to brag. We don't need to boast. We just give you what you need on IrieJam.
On IrieJam Radio. IrieJam Radio. IrieJam Radio. IrieJam Radio. Number 1.
Check. Ragashanti live in our ears by the Big Bad Bridge 99 FM. And with a Wukliss man, Wukliss woman mix up, any mix up you know, involving a Wukliss man or a Wukliss woman, call in and give it 100. The number to call in is from Jamaica. It's 876-676-4996. That's 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. If you're calling from the United States or Canada, we have a toll-free number for you to make the connection and give we the mix-up, Wukliss man or Wukliss woman mix-up, and that is 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. To the phone lines we go. Good night, Wagwan.
What's up?
What's up? What got on?
Raga.
You there?
Yeah.
Matalan!
Me say you say me.
What's up, baby girl?
Me there. I'm good.
Talk to a Negro and thing and give me the Wukliss man or Wukliss woman mix up where you have. Let me have it.
But what are the Raga? Earlier on you say, when you talk about Andrew and Lisa, you say them for juggle. So what about the people that don't know what juggle mean? Should I explain that one there too?
Well, some of them think them can pick up out of context, man. Because like if me I say, I love to see Andrew and Lisa go at him. I love to see them juggle. But one thing though, why the problem make you right is that juggle have whole heap of meaning in a Jamaican.
Yeah, man. You have juggle when you juggle football, you can juggle a sound system, as me.
Right, you juggle at the juggling the music, juggle where you juggle football.
And you can juggle in the street same way too, you know.
And you know what juggling at the street mean, right? and juggle can mean say, let's go. Juggle can mean let's go. Like you ready? Come on, go juggle, no, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it can mean let's go, you know? Yeah, juggle, yeah. So, well, to the extent that it has multiple meanings, it may have been a good idea to explain it for. Because I have a lot of people who listen me, you know, who, some of them are not Jamaican, but either they with a Jamaican or, you know, married a Jamaican, they with a Jamaican, or just love Jamaica. And then you have people who consider themselves Jamaicans, but them just born and grew up here, and you know, and them not really understand certain things. So I'm always approached, you know, most of the time online through different medium, Facebook, Instagram, and so forth. And people say, what does so-and-so mean? Could you help me to understand? Or my husband is Jamaican and he did this, and I don't want to ask him because blah, 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 blah. So I get enough of them look at something there, you know? I'm like, explain them thing there to her. Come, I love to represent my country in that regard, you know? Because we love the little island, don't we? love our country, don't we?
You mean, man? You mean? Man?
Not care what, we not left it out. All when we are cuss and go on bad about this and that, I still we place. We not left it out.
We place, so yeah, so.
Cool.
Because guess what? You know, say I had a friend lives in Canada, and when I say him, you know, he might ask me, say, what do you mean? What do you mean when them say go around them. You understand?
Yeah. That can really confuse. So and you did explain it when you say, go around me, Or you explain.
Yeah, you understand? It's like, in time somebody not give you an excuse, or you understand him not come straight forward up with you or something like that.
Yeah. It can be a little bit more direct than that. It can be that the person is being something like passively deceptive. The person not be deceptive, Person not not being straight, but the person it more have to do with like, next week, I want to do generalship mix-up. It to be like, say you're general me, but you're going like you're not general me, but you go around me, and things. So what kind of Wukliss man or Wukliss man mix-up you have for me,
All right, before me tell you that one day, you say a while ago, say, when you talk about tying out animal, and you say, like, them not tie out fall. No, man, you tie out fall too, man.
Who tie out fall?
Me tie out fall.
Fall get tie out too?
Of course, because guess what happened? You might live in an area right now and people have them farm beside you, and if the fall go over there and scratch out the farm and you don't have no cage or no coop or anything, you might put the fall on and need the cell at night time, but you have to go take out the fall and tie it up in the day.
Sir, educate me, and come never hear about fall or tie out here. So, have something upon the fall foot, like a string upon the fall foot for keep it in a certain area.
You tie one of the foot, but you have to try change it over. Make it remain constantly on one foot. You understand? Okay, we sore the foot,
Oh, okay. To them foot fine. Them foot fine. Okay. Me never know that's a fall get tie out too. Me just used to fall a room and come back when them come back when our country, because they know where they live. But you can't do that at all.
Them stay the same way they way. Them go away and come back and you not tie them neither. Them just go away when even time come them.
Them know them yard and come back at their yard.
Yeah.
And But no, well, you see it. I learned something today, because I never know if a fall get tired out too. Yeah, me think.
Man, fall get tired.
But which other animal get tired? You have goat and cow. Donkey not get tired.
Oh, you mean? Donkey tie out a country man on the roadside, man. Yeah, man, donkey tie out,
you have to carry donkey, go get tired, tie out donkey too.
Oh, you mean?
Well, it makes sense.
Donkey too,
Well, okay, yeah. Which other animal? Donkey, cow, and goat. Which other animal? No more.
Puss get tired out.
No, you can't trick me with that.
No, man, puss. Come on.
You cannot trick me with that. You cannot treat me with that Mataran. Me an idiot. Me born and grow Kingston, but you can't fool me. Me never hear about the push I get tired. Push not get tired. Whoever tired push.
Push get tired to Raga. If you have a push and you push thief and you have any of a problem and you don't want him in your house, you have to tie him out.
Can you imagine? Look what the world come to. All pussycat if you get tired to. Can't trust them sometime. Tie them out. Can't trust them. I want to go on there, so. Hey.
Serious man. Sometimes, but a real thing, man.
So what you say? Sometimes the pussycat, them a dig out what?
When them a thief people things and they're uncontrollable, man, and you don't want them in your place and your house, man. You have to tie them out.
Okay. So when pussycat a thief people things and them and you can't control them and all these things, you have to put a rope on them and kind of, balance them know. Listen to me, they're running up and down and that dig and that something. They not gonna work. Yeah.
When you push me out, when you want to see me, you have to tie him too. You have to tie him out,
because they may run way down.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
So well, push I get tied.
Whenever you can't manage it, But talk to me, You have a Wukliss man or Wukliss woman mix up?
Yeah, because I'm featured that man is a Wukliss man.
Rinse.
You see?
Send on.
And the reason why I go talk about the fall, you mentioned the fall, so this one just come back in my head. A man there with a girl and it's like, a girl not too interested in him anymore. You understand? The girl really see somebody else where I give her a vibe, doesn't me?
See it?
Right. So a relationship between the man and the girl come to an end.
See it?
But the man now give the girl 2 fall. Two foal, hen.
Is this a Wukliss man Mixup or a techie back Mixup? Go on talk, go on talk.
But I both.
No, me know what you mean. Go on talk.
All
Yeah.
right. So anyway, you know, the new man where he have, the foal alien raga.
Yeah.
So the older man now realize every time the new man pass him, kind of on a construction site, you know, him see the man with four leg in him hand.
Well, the new man, the man who left, the new man see that. Which one is it?
The old man, the man that did it a long time when the girl break up. Remember, say him give the girl the two foal. You know?
Him give her the two foal and the foal lay egg regularly now, right? And the girl have a new man now. And the old man where the girl broke up with, who they give her the two foal where lay egg. Him a regular now, him see the new man who should there with a walk with egg. Go on talk.
He can't work about now a square, you know. So in the part of the roof there, so you see me. And every time the man pass him see the man with egg in his hand. You know, so the man take knife and go take off the two fold them off a roast. And carry them go fit him yard and tie them up and ask if the new man and the girl now walk and hunt in everybody yard to the fold, you know.
So wait, him go over for yard. Him go back our yard now. Who should have left him?
Yeah, in our back in a night.
In a night. And
know,
cut where the foul them. Yeah, and in them
you
roots.
fool them the roots, man, for a tree, man.
So how you get them?
The man must use flashlight and take them down, man. Pick out it to where feed, man.
Oh, some more foul in there.
Yeah, because the neighbor foul a stay up on the same roots, man.
Roots, because at night time them roots up. So the roots in the tree, because them not have no cover and thing. Them just roots in the tree because of country vibes and thing. So him go back and take with theme too special for.
Pick out theme too.
Well, and a really theme for kind did gear him. They done gear already,
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And him just take out them two foul and then what happen?
And then the girl and the new man walk up and down in every yard and look for the
I
foal.
search for it.
I search for the foal until somebody said to her, I said, don't know, man, because I want to sense one of them, you know. You know, foal they call sense foal.
We know a sense foal, yeah. But them the kind of margaish. The sense foal, them the kind of margaish.
And them here kind of stand up.
Stand up.
Kind of,
yeah, it's like them have some more what they call it, mohawk hairstyle kind of thing, yeah.
Yes, and them foal, them say them, you know, when any evil at the yard, them scratch it out, so no people want sense foal in the yard, you know.
Well, no, that is a good point. Stop right there, sir, because enough people don't know say, that we need to explain that from Jamaican culture, make all the people them are foreign learn this something of them. Explain the part there. Because, you know, so that is a common practice in Jamaica, enough people don't know.
I know.
Them buy sense fowl for get rid of what them consider to be evil in them yard. Because enough time when people do something to you, them bury things in your yard.
Yeah.
Right? And sometimes I not bury. Sometimes them say, sometimes it don't even have to be buried. But supposedly the fowl can, if the fowl scratch, them will scratch. But explain it.
Well, for instance, when me know say that some people buy the sensor foal because the sensor foal they literally scratch more than the regular foal, you know.
Yeah.
And anything that is unfamiliarized, the foal will go there and scratch it out. And from them scratch it out, come on top. So if a man come plant a vial in your yard, you understand?
A vial.
A vial.
Yeah. Come set something in a vial in your yard, dog. Yes. The sensor foal, them going to dig up that.
You get about dig it out.
Mad thing. So anyway, so it was a sensor for him to gear then? A sensor for him?
Yes, I want next one, but it's not a sensor, you know?
All right,
so
then.
So she walk a look for the sensor, you know, she and the man walk a look for the sensor. Days, them walk a look for the fall party one at a time, they kind of give up them and go sit them, you know?
Oh, sin.
Yes. And if the man, sister, tell him, say him she see the fall down at the man yard.
Mm-hmm.
You understand what I mean? But she never go back to you. But that one is a Wukliss man.
Well, you think, say, if him say our new man full of egg from the fall and when him give her and thing, like, you say him should have just love that because him not talk over that anymore, don't?
Yeah. And him say him not fat no fall for no mangoes.
What is saying going on Jamaica? All merciless make a song out time. Some man a fat no fall for mangoes. Who me a talk no nonsense Bruce. Oh, him go all the food him buy the gal and all the same producer. And me a put her to use. Oh man, John. So him say him nah do that. Him say so the new man of the mangoes down. So him say him nah get I'm at the fall I get fat over there for the mangoes.
No sir.
Him not depend on something.
No, this man still. Cause two fold that. You get the
yeah, me ain't take back your fall. Me ain't take back your fall.
And then guess what? You got to take back the fall in at night with flashlight.
Yeah, like your commando, like you the SEAL team, like you do special ops. Go see my crawling at the grass, like him the Afghanistan and thing and whatever and thing. But you see from them sissy, I the same two fall with him, cause you see other fall they there in a roost, other people fall. From them sissy, them two special fall they missing. Them should have known say something, you know. That are the two fall where the boy did give them two particular fall they gone. No mangoes no have no sense like that. Figure say, all right, me only take fear two fall where the man then give what. You understand what I say? I don't demand that.
I say at days, the people that walk through people, yeah, they don't brought back man and I look for the fall them, you know.
See, them at Now say a word in a boo-boo, respect for the yellings in the night.
Oh, on the rock, I'm the last one upon you know.
Box me in my nastiness with it,
You have some man, when them left the woman, them brother.
Yeah.
Them fi just left the woman and hop back at them yard and turn up at them window and say, you are gone in there, you understand? Because a brethren almost lose him life, you know. Here where the brethren do know.
Yeah.
Him there with that woman, the relationship done. The woman have a new woman, but them live in a unfinished house. Now ask if every night him no find himself in the unfinished house and listen what go on in the house, you know.
No, I carelessness that. I carelessness that.
I not careless, I worthlessness that.
So hold on, so when them a do him they are listening and thing?
Him they are listening. Still is like some people make them know what go on, so them kind of zinc up the place because no hurt not go on from the place yet. So them either one place one night, you know, cause them plan for him now, you know, the girl they really take for him, but him get from the girl now, so the girl plan for him this time.
Yeah.
And when the girl plan for him this time, you know, him not have no run go, you know, beside one place he have run go. So when time the man a drive in the night and he spot the lights, you know, and the man pit tile him a go them lift up every flooring board right in the same job.
Him going to pit tile it?
You know, say pit tile, they have flooring board or a
yeah, them have flooring.
So lift up the whole of the flooring board, them walk left back to the hole.
Oh, so him a run going at them, set him up, him a run going at the toilet for wide, but them don't move the board.
Them don't move the board.
Spoken like a true Jamaican. Flooring board. Flooring. Yo, I love Jamaica, you know. When you say, got a flooring board, and them they move the flooring board down. All right. Yeah. So I run him running at the toilet now for hide and go drop right in at the pit toilet now.
Right in at the pit toilet, and you know them are well, I know, man, but I'm lucky because them have a thing what they call crusade, you know. And some people are come from a crusade and yes, somebody a ball and them go check it out and realize they are him, you know.
Okay, so I come from, man, most Jamaican know about crusade and convention and this.
Yeah.
And so I come back and think, and them save him.
Yeah, man, them couldn't go dry mouth, man, push bamboo stick down in there, brother.
Yeah, I make him hold the bamboo stick and dry mouth for the bamboo stick.
And you know, say, all the activity are going down there, so no, the man and the woman up out of them house and them turn up them music loud.
Okay, because them no response. Serve him right out the door. No, but Mataran, woman do that too, you know that you have enough stalker woman out there, you left them. Trust me, I know what I talk about. And I know someone who listen right now. Yeah, you have enough stalker woman out there too. Man left for no. How no text set. Who not follow man online, who not investigate people, who not investigate who them start talk to, who not obsessed with them, who not make fake profile and this and that. Listen to me, no man, you have some terrible woman out there, Mataran, when you left them and thing.
And it come from the heart, it's not because you have been through it, ain't it?
Listen to me, no man. Listen to me, no man. Hello. I go through it with them.
Who feels it knows it.
Yeah, I go through it with them, but I know enough more what happened to enough. Yeah, you have some woman terrible when man left them, man. And woman, let me tell you now, man will more do some direct, fool, crazy, desperate things.
Yeah.
Like, man will, even when man say them hide, them easy to find. But you see when woman go for vindictive when you left them, nothing more sneaky than them in the matter.
That's true. You know we
Me say some things, let me say
right.
woman design. Some things the woman design and make sure so them staying at the shadows, some setups where them go on with and thing. Just because the man left them and them now get the little tea anymore and all these things, don't. Yeah, woman do it
But
too.
you know, a girl, they go up on Facebook and create a fake profile. And I look back the man will left her and ask if the man not give her pay talk, you know, and the man will realize that,
Yo, when woman come at me upon Facebook, you know, no knowings, you know, when me say no knowings, you know, man. No knowings. All these years, me not answer them, you know. All when they send picture and all them something there, you see, when me not answer them, sometimes them all get vexed and say, go away, you big dirty this and that and ray. Me not answering them. But you don't, me know a man, right, who, the way him look woman is this. Him create fake profile as a woman.
Yeah.
And friend the woman. Women look as a female. Someone get for friend her. And she confide. Then now, him learn all these things about her because him know if he relate to her as a woman and I know if he take him time and build a relationship. And then him go so boom now and he move back to the woman. By the time he move back to the woman and she talk to him, you know where she end up and say, Jesus, God, the man you know me, me never meet a man who know me so yet. Oh, the man you know me so, I must my soul me at this and whatever. So me I say, no, you know, if you don't know the person, nobody, you know, potentially is who them say them is on Facebook and social media and whatever. So why you going to even respond to any stranger there, so? Never.
Because, man, with another host with me right now, I'm the creator of Real 4 Profile and I look him and he ain't what's tell me.
So what? You
test him out.
You test him out. Why you going to do something like that?
Do me not want to know him.
You don't need to do something like that. You think they're fool. Me I tell you right now, you know, if me and a be a go and good and thing and me good, you know. But if me and a be a go and good and whatever, I'm out the road and this and that and well, sometimes look at testing and for go on, but me don't know. Me just not you see that social media something there.
Guess what happened? Yesterday comes a time when you analyze situation, then you have to start examining. You understand? You have to be an examiner.
No, examining is different from impersonating and manipulating and you know, it just no, that different. That can't be an examining.
Me the kind of run him out for 1 2 months and chat me up and him a chat me up and blah blah blah. I say, it's me.
All right, Materan, let me take one next call. Big up yourself here. Raga loves you. Tell your gentleman in the house, say Raga loves you. All right?
All right, enjoy your song in, all right?
All right, it goes some man. Blessings, man. Give me a next call. Mukliss man mix up. Mukliss woman mix up. Mukliss man mix up. Hello.
Good night, Shanti.
Greetings.
Listen, we not talk about animal.
Hold on. You have a radio playing near you. Move her from it. We hear it in the background a little bit or something. So move her from it, yeah?
All right, yeah. We not talk about animal. We not time out. I'm like donkey, cow, goat. We not time out one place. You don't move him till the next day. You don't go where you move him, they said there unless you don't trust for your time. You don't trust for your time, yes.
But
you can move him.
No, but it wasn't an issue about when you move the animal. What?
No, you said them move him. You have to move him next day. The animal you move, the cow, the goat, the donkey. You know, we're not time out in the morning. You know, go move him to the next morning. That's what I'm trying to show you.
Yeah, but me never. The issue was not whether or not what time you move them or not or whatever. Me did say something about that. Me did say something about when you move them.
Yes.
Tell me what me said. Tell me what me did say. Tell me what me did say. Yeah.
Hold on. You said that you move them you can move them in the evening. No, you move them. You not tie them out one time in the morning. You don't move them to the next day.
Oh,
animal.
Oh, so
that's what I'm trying to show you.
No, but hold on there now.
So
you know, have some people tie out them animal in the morning and then go pick them up back at evening and carry. Well, them carry them from them yard, tie them out in the morning, make them stay the whole day, then them go back for them in the evening and carry them back at them yard. You are telling me say nothing no go so?
Me never say no go so. I never tell you say no go so. I say you don't must move them. Take them back, carry them back in the evening. Okay. That's why I try to show you.
Okay. Thank you for that. You know must.
That's a must.
You can't make them stay there overnight at that spot there and sleep overnight.
Right.
But
I work this woman, I work this man. Me talk both sides.
Yeah.
I work this woman and I work this man. Him and a woman there. And him and the man there. And what the man give him, go take it back for the woman. A workless man do that, man.
And if a woman do that, she a workless woman too?
Yes. Anyone me talk on both sides. Me not talk on one side alone. Me not talk on the man side and me not talk on the woman side. Me talk on both sides.
Anybody give somebody something, right? I give.
Yes.
And because you left, you're going to take it back and thing and whatever. You're workless man and workless.
Yes.
But let me ask you something.
Ambition.
Let me ask you something,
yes.
Let me ask you something, though. Suppose you have one woman there, right? And the two of them decide so now get married. And then now, a Jamaica you call from?
No, Jamaica from Bronx.
Bronx, all right.
Bronx.
And say you're there Bronx, New York, I know. And say now, you go buy her a $50,000 engagement ring, right?
Yes.
You buy her a $50,000 engagement ring. And then after you engage her now, 2 weeks after you engage her, you come home and you say IrieJam Upper Bronx. You know IrieJam, we keep teardrops. Him and Dale Furniture Deal keep teardrops over which part Mingles used to do. And think you go home and it's IrieJam, you see that have the woman leg them pan her shoulder and an explorer in a sanctums. IrieJam, an explorer like on a football field, like him a run up and down, you know. And you decide that the relationship done, you now get married. You don't believe so you must get back your engagement ring where you pay your $50,000 for?
No, me don't want to back.
Why? Why you don't want back your engagement ring?
No.
Why you got to back your engagement ring?
No.
Listen to me. Take back your engagement ring. Take back your engagement ring. Why you don't want back your engagement ring?
No. Listen to me.
What?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. Even if you went catch him in the house with a man.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You catch him in the house with a man.
Yeah.
You walk out of the relationship right there, so.
I know, but you walk out with the engagement ring. Walk out with your ring.
No, you don't. You call that a loss. That's it. You don't marry to him. You call that a loss. And you are
telling me, say, buy a ring for $50,000. You get a woman for married her. 6 days later, IrieJam have her foot up here, have her knee touch her ears, and deep up inside her. And you done it. And you go walk away for your $50,000 ring after 6 days where you just care. You go walk away for your
Ragashanti.
Yes, sir.
Me personally not buy no ring you want for no $50,000.
No.
That's what. Hold on. Listen to me. As we tell you, say.
Yeah.
Even me no mind. Even me being by the ring game, and me go in the house and catch me with a man.
Yeah.
All me do work out of the relationship. That's it. Leave it alone because you all the time people say one door closed, the other one open right there.
That's right.
So why you have to distress yourself like that?
No. Me totally agree with you with the walkway, you know, because anybody, people, them who
you walk out of the relationship.
Hold on, them tell me. Me nah want nobody. Well, what if she go get the man? Big up a man. And anyway, if me have a woman, and she a go get a man front, me a tell the man, take it if you want it, take it.
Yeah, but you see, even if you tell it.
And deal with it good too, right? Me no business with that.
To me.
But me I say, hold on. Listen to me. Hold on. Me I reason with you. Hold on, man. The engagement ring is an agreement, you know. It's an agreement to say,
Yes.
You and her went go on a journey together, and this is the symbolic seal of that agreement, where you probably make a little sacrifice and thing because the way you rate her and you love her like that and thing. Yeah, so you hear me right now. Me nah go buy a little cheap ring at Jared's or whatever. Me nah buy no Walmart ring here. Me go so boom badang bang bing 50G because me rate her to that. And then 6 days later, IrieJam dig out her belly and you not take back a $50,000 ring.
No, me ask one question. If you don't marry to a woman today, and he got thief the night, you would have go married to him. You would have put him again.
Well, if I got married to a woman, where? What? Say that again. What that go?
If you don't marry to a woman today, and tonight he got thief, you would have put a ring for him again.
If would have. Well, it depends, you know. Would I probably still married her?
No. Depends.
What do you mean? No. It depends on what she got teeth. What it depends on what she got teeth. Why if she got teeth to feed? Why if she got teeth to feed her pick them? Why if she got teeth to save somebody life?
No, you know what TV she will. And then lock him up, then you go take him out. Me not put a no woman ring for no woman finger for any teeth.
No,
that's a disgrace right here, sir. That's a disgrace.
We have to break. Stay, President, talk to him. What upon the line? We have to break. You got Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Yeah, man, welcome back up in the juggling. Mukliss man mix up, Mukliss woman mix up, Mukliss man mix up, Mukliss woman. Back to the caller. Yes, my general.
Yes, what I was saying to you.
Yeah.
If a woman got teeth, you would have put a ring on his finger?
If me and her there, and we decide say we are going to get married and thing, and she got teeth.
And he got teeth? Yeah, you have put a ring on his finger?
No, man, depending on one, would I still juggle with her.
No. It doesn't matter.
What you mean, it don't matter?
No, it doesn't matter. In got teeth, don't shame and disgrace for you right there.
All right, no. Hold on, man. Let me ask you something, man. If the reason she got teeth and thing, or what them call teeth, was that she never have no money and she booked somebody on the road who they on the verge of got dead and him need some food and she go over one fruit stand and thief some fruits out of the fruit stand and run go get the person who got dead and thing. And people said no, and the person for the fruit stand bawl out, Lord murder, boy, thief, and police come and lock her up and say, Miss, I know you were doing a good deed, but you still thief. We have to go lock you up and then everybody will say, oh, you're a thief and girl, you're dead. What you da do? You da left her?
You want me to do?
Yeah, you da still left her?
No, I'm not there with him for the thief. That's a shame and disgrace right here, so if you don't know. For one single thief and police put on him, that's a disgrace right there, sir.
All right, why should he got teeth? Why should he got teeth to feed her picnic then? Why should do that? You that still left?
I'm not even got feed him picnic. I'm not even got feed him. You have a good job.
No, may I ask you?
You have a good job.
Hold on, mind you tell me something what happened to you, you know.
I know me am to. Somebody me know you am to. And you am to me.
Hold on. Okay. Hold on, man. We are getting somewhere now, man. You are getting somewhere now. We're getting somewhere now. Me just talk to Uncle Raga now. So, somebody happened to, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right then. So, you said that she have a good job.
You have a good job.
And she got teeth.
And he got teeth.
All right, well,
I lock him up.
Of course, you know, so no name can't call upon the show. Everybody remain unidentified. Tell me what's your teeth.
Then go do shoplifting. Notice shoplifting?
Yeah, shoplifting.
You first me call no shoplifting.
Fine, you come no
first know on him shoplifting.
Okay, so she got clutch. And that then call it here clutch. So when she go shoplifting, you know what should it take from when she go shoplifting? Clothes or what?
The person clothes in the teeth. Okay. But Ragashanti, you have a good job. You never got teeth. Left to do a little careless man.
Okay.
One an ambition.
Right.
And the right man have ambition. He not go do them something there. The woman have a good job.
Right.
The one was a nurse.
Nurse.
Tell her that.
A liar.
I was a nurse.
Liar. Me can't believe so a nurse got thief. Go shoplift. Liar tell pan the woman. Liar tell pan the woman. You serious?
No.
You serious?
No. Raga, me never tell lie.
Yeah.
Raga, me never tell no lie.
What you said to me?
The woman was a nurse.
Nurse?
The woman. All right, let me tell you something. Hold on. To show the woman work, the woman have three different man. And any woman or a man have three party pitney. And you have a good, number one, if you have a good job, have a house for yourself, have a nice car, and that's ambition enough. Something wrong with that man and something wrong with that woman.
No. What you say about the three pitney with three different man? What you say about that one?
I say the woman have three pitney, three different man.
Yeah. So what wrong with that? What wrong with that?
No. Something wrong in the line. Number one.
No, you cannot say that. You can't say that. You don't know what happened. You can't judge a woman them way. A well if a woman have picked with different man and a good people them. You can't say that.
No, well, listen. Me not number one, me not run a picnic like I say, me not no sense. No. Hold
on. Say that you'd rather not there with that woman who already have three pitney. But don't say something wrong with her or you cause aspersion upon her or you say, say something not good with that woman because she have three pitney with three different men. You can't say that, man. You have to be careful. Raga. You can't call me Shaga if you want. Call me sister, you want to call me Shaga. You can't call me Shaga. Call me Shaga.
All right, listen.
Shaga.
Understand.
Yeah.
Where you fit to understand?
Yeah.
Where you fit to me say?
Yeah.
If me.
Yeah.
Me have a good job.
Yeah.
Me.
Yeah.
Me have a good job.
Yeah.
Me have a house.
Yeah.
Me have a good car.
Yeah.
I mean, nobody no around me, no woman around me. Something wrong with me. What you tell me about?
Yeah.
Never good. Me take myself in prayer. If me have a good job, me have a house to myself.
Yeah.
Me have a good car. The driver van down.
Yeah.
No woman around me. Something wrong with me.
But why?
Something wrong. Me take from experience.
Figure thief.
No, with that thief, you say no. Something wrong with me. Me take from experience. So me no.
If you have
me not talk about years.
Well, something wrong with you. If what? If you have a good job and what?
If me have a good job, listen to me clearly. If me have a good job, me have a house, me have a Chris car, and no woman around me. Me no live with no woman also. Something wrong with me.
No, you can't say that. You can't say that. You cannot say that.
No. You
cannot say that. You can't say that. You can't say that.
Because
you don't know. You jump to too much conclusions. You jump to too much conclusions. What if that man got burned? What if that man did there with somebody like Tina too cute, Florida, and Tina mash up him man and thing and whatever, and then the man no want no more woman or whatever because he go through something where man must commit suicide and him just decide I need to be alone. You understand? What wrong with that?
No, listen, I want to be like that. But me not go find myself. Whether woman good looking huggish or no, I never ambition me with him.
No, you have to be careful with that, because you have some people who are happier alone than they with somebody, and that is their right. You cannot be stigmatizing those people and I put them down and I say something wrong with them. That's why some woman afraid for go dinner alone, afraid for go movie alone, afraid for go somewhere alone, because people are gonna fling them out upon them and say, I want to go on with she pop down. This down there no good. That's why she go out by herself and thing and whatever. You can't do them something there, man. You can't do them something there. Some people happy alone. But anyway, big up yourself up there in the Bronx, here.
All right.
Yeah, man, respect and protection. Papa Jesus.
Protection, you too.
Yeah, man, protection. All right. Anyway, we're there. Mukliss man, mix up. Next call. Hello. Hello. Me not hear the person, but I'm telling about the number. 87 from Jamaica, 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Yeah? Yeah, hello.
Hear me?
Yeah, greetings. Yeah, may I hear you now?
Yeah. You don't say behave yourself.
What?
Dirty Reggae, kill me.
Well, you have to talk up. I can't hear you. Talk up in your cheap phone. Talk up.
I see me.
I hear one. Oh, I don't know if I hear one. I could have borrowed it for call. No. Then I was sweet, so I could have make you laugh, so.
Now what this man nobody give me?
What go down?
Brother,
you know, some of them give a proper thanks, and me fi tell you, though, my belly full, you know. My belly full today, my belly full. Me I tell them, me eat some food today. Me I tell them, I don't know how I want me, so. Me just that. I go say something, but I know say the dirty people them want listen, them are gonna beat me because I go say, boy, to them I just a near more so, but you know them are gonna do, you know my people them, you know the TamFam them, you know them are gonna come with them foolishness. What a way you're proud of you did a near more today, I beat them arms house to them go on with, you know. You think they easy?
What talk to you?
You know say the voice you sound very familiar. Eh?
Tell me a who.
No, tell me who.
If you don't have Mataran, who you have?
Eh?
If you don't have Mataran, who you have?
If you don't have Mataran, who you have? Craven here.
Okay then.
Are you?
Oh.
Alright, walk on, bad St. Elizabeth are represented at the place. Senti. Pay. We have to do gun salute and all for Pepsi. You know it's a Pepsi drop out. You remember Pepsi from Crawford, right? Who used to have the Go-Go Club. You know same drop. Oh, you been a listen. Okay. You know, big up all St. Elizabeth people, big up South people, big up Pepper St. Elizabeth, Crawford, and of course Black River Straight. Them for know. Whole St. Massive, large up. So Craven here, what you say?
I want to answer to somebody say if they don't want COVID to spread, they carry back in idea.
If they don't want what? For carry what?
If they don't want COVID to stop spread, they carry back parade in idea and it will stop spread.
Me like that.
Jesus!
Me like that. What you say? Still bro God say, if him want the no movement there for locking a Jamaica, put Ragashanti on the radio. Yo, what you say? Everybody tired of them yard, no? Everybody tired of them yard, don't it?
I'll miss it tell you.
No, man, I'm busy in the idea. Originally, when I'm Bridge 99 did I bring me on, it was supposed to be in the day, you know, but, you know, I'm busy in the day, you know. It almost never happened, so we managed to work out something so I can work them time and things, so me have to, you know, during the week, me have to wake up early again and all them something and whatever. But I work. But you say if Raga did on the radio, then bro God would never put on a no movement there because people are going to turn home and listen sure, don't it? Don't it? Gunshot. We are salute up in place, them for no, don't. Mad something, don't. Craven here, good for your voice, doing, you know, blessings and respect, you know. So what you think about the general who just called, you know, from Bronx? And what the man? What you mean the man not woman? You're out there. What you mean the man not woman? And what you know about the man? And what you know about the man? Eh? And what you know about the man? Eh? Oh, you mean the man not woman? He man say, if him a go marry that woman, and if, you know, say, him say somebody tell me to, but me feel say him. Me feel like him tell me to. No, man, because when me hear him lucky and think, but she did have a good job, and to me him I get specific, now me I say, hold on, weird, they sound like him a talk about something specific, man.
Raga,
yeah.
This motivate you somebody else name.
What you say, him a tell me on the Sykes, no? Eh? No, but you can't say that about the man. The man may just be a principled man who was say him now married no woman who gone thief, right? The man may be a hard-working principled man. I say, right, you know, hear the man say, him no want no shame and disgrace come down upon him and all these things. You never hear the man? And that the man say. Man say him no want to shame and disgrace come upon him. So if any woman him there, if him gonna marry her, you know, say I married her a man and she got thief tonight, and him say the marriage now go on right there, so. Me different, it depends on whatever. If I marry a girl, me I hold it with her. Me and her against the rest of the world, and the two we done the whole world. And me and her are juggle, gangster. Yeah.
Reggae the man mean. The man say that by the ring for 50 grand.
Him not buying a ring. I'm not going to talk 50 US, you know. Eh? Hold on. How it come to be the man? How it come to the man mean because him say him not buying a engagement ring for $50,000. Why? Oh, hold on, Craven. You just say, Raga, you know, sister, the man mean. Him say him not buying a ring. Remember say Bronx, New York, man, they say what about 50,000 US dollar, you know? 50,000. So are you in a business? You still think him mean?
He mean. Me a vulgar, me a telling straight.
Hold on, man. You can't see where I'm a man based upon him budget and where him a work and him circumstances. I go say, well, me buy an engagement ring and me buy a special one and whatever, but based upon my budget and all them things, that it would even make financial sense. I'm going to spend $50,000 on an engagement ring, and then after I buy the ring, me all have problem with for me and the woman I eat and all them. So you know see where something like that possible?
We don't say no possible, but what if have it and they don't want to spend it?
No, but you just can't assume say him mean because him no want to spend $50,000 on an engagement ring. Huh?
We owe him talking.
What you say? The way him talk, him have a mean talk. No? What you say? Him have a tight talk. No? Him have a non-Lego talk. Him not Lego money talk. No? Eh?
Yeah.
Eh?
You said him in January.
No, next thing you know, you're going to say, I feel him fault because him there with the woman and nurse and make sure for go and thief. Hey, God. Anyway, Craven, you big up yourself for the blessings. Yeah. Where you call from? Senti?
No, I'm in Kingston.
Yeah. Oh, you get man at Kingston now. Watch ya.
Yes, my nice clean man and listen.
Yeah, you get your nice clean man and listen. The boss I listen to now.
Long time. I reckon my baby is 11 years old this year.
Congratulations. Big up your child, and big up your gentleman, all right? Big up on yourself down there, and I want to stay safe and think proper respect. And tell your gentleman, say, you are listening Ragashanti from Dine Kingdom come, right? Tell him a long time. Him know the levels. Him a listen long time too. How are you? Which one? Okay, let me take back my talk. I mean, I run up my motor and don't even know the 100, no.
How are you?
See there?
School. You think this man we have?
No, you know, there would no Wukliss man around here. Okay. All right, I saw the thing said. Big up yourself in a Craven and big up your little one and big up your gentleman, all right?
All right, cool.
I saw the thing said. Yeah, man, people, I Ragashanti live. I'm just want to remind you on the same day. From Bridge 99 FM at Jamaica, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. From 9 p.m. until 11 p.m. Jamaica time. 9 p.m. until 11 p.m. Jamaica time. 9 p.m. until 11 p.m. Jamaica time. And while I'm broadcasting to Jamaica on Fridays, I'm also broadcasting on IrieJam Radio here in New York. All right, so on Fridays, when I'm broadcasting, it's simulcast. Bossy talk for say, me I broadcast on Bridge 99 FM and on IrieJam Radio, Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica and on IrieJam Radio in New York. All right, and you can also listen on the website, thebridge99fm.com, thebridge99fm.com, and you can follow the Bridge 99 FM on all social media platforms, the Bridge 99 FM on all social media platforms. We're going to break. We're soon forward.
What's up, IrieJam Radio? You don't know, it's your girl Tasanchin telling you I love you and keep playing the biggest tunes. Love you. Mwah.
You're listening to IrieJam.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Welcome back up in the juggling a Ragashanti live on the Big Bad Bridge 99 FM, and of course it's a Friday night, so we just want enough respect to all listeners out there in the Big Bad in New York City and beyond, the Connecticut and New Jersey, lucky and we don't know what the thing said. Right, yes, upon the IrieJam Radio and thing, and just want to remind you that I'm here for those of you listening the radio on IrieJam out there in New York City. Every Friday night, something from 9 until 11. Every Friday night from 9 until 11. And you don't know, sir, at the energetic talk show with this and that. To the phone line, eh? Oh, no. It's 10 o'clock in New York, just so you know. Sorry, thank you, Prezi. It's 9 to 11 in Jamaica, but up here, you know, so the time difference, so it's 10 to 12, okay? 10 o'clock in the night until 12 midnight every Friday night. For those of you listening out there in New York, all right? To the phone lines we go. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Ragashanti live.
Greetings. Where I go down?
Ragashanti live.
Yeah, where you say?
The radio we come from the radio chat about big house and all that thing there, man, with car and bullshit.
No, well, no. Oh, hey, stop. You can't say that word upon the radio. You hear? Get in trouble.
Be a foolish.
No, hold on, man. You said the BS word a while ago. You never realized you say it, but me I tell you, you hear? Okay?
No.
Okay?
Right,
you said the bull so and so. Hold on, stop now. You understand what I just say?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's a serious thing here in terms of the law and them thing up here, you know, so.
Yeah, man.
All right, then. Cool. So go on, talk.
So when come from the radio, talk about him not take back the ring if him see deal with feed girl. If you look on deal foot and see the size shows what deal wear, you want to take back the ring then.
What you say? You know IrieJam, and you see the foot.
Yeah,
you look at IrieJam foot, and you see the size shoes that IrieJam wear, and you know what Jamaicans believe about the size of a man's foot and the size of something else. And you are say, if you engage a woman for marry her, and you buy a ring for $50,000 and she go dash out the IrieJam with him big foot. You say you're going to take back the ring. You take back the ring. Take back the ring. Me take it back too. Me take it back after you come back. What you say? I take back the $50,000 ring and go sell it for you $10, Joe. Just out of principle, no. She go there, go and dash out, get big. Go and dash out, get Bigfoot IrieJam. Yeah? And dash out the juju, get Bigfoot IrieJam. After you buy $50,000 ring here, and she gonna make IrieJam jump up in her belly and walk up in her road and I go cross her pedestrian crossing like, whoa. That now work around here, you take back the ring.
But yeah, well, come with. Yeah, the foolishness when him come with if you have big house and big car and you're not a woman in your house. Something wrong with that. I want to that idiot there.
No, but what wrong with him? All right, may I ask you now, what wrong with him say?
That's how to be, you know, because I live with my granddaughter.
Right.
And trust me, and me have my house, me have the car.
Yeah.
And that not phrase me.
And that not phrase you. You know, I don't feel like you bring the woman in the house there with you and your granddad, right?
The other day, me I go out and take a shower and I lotion down myself and lotion my foot and thing. And my granddaughter say, grandfather, why you lotion your foot them for? Me say, you know why? When a man look for you at the first place, them look for your foot them.
Right. I saw it go? Yeah, well, yeah, your shoes. So that's true, your shoes. Well, your face and your shoes.
Yeah, when she said to me if me I look smarty. She know why I'm bringing nobody.
And that she say?
Yeah, if me really I look smarty, grandfather.
So what you think about that? Your granddaughter? I said, why nobody bring the woman in here and her grandpa? Because I don't think I can't deal with that. What you feel about that? Then suppose you were there with some...
She jealous.
She jealous? Well, I mean, I want people misinterpret what the brethren are saying. Well, I don't want people misinterpret what the brethren are saying. I know that type of jealousness. So somehow on them out lie. So why if you be, you know, Navlet Howard, you have one girl named Navlet Howard, she in a TamFam. So if you meet Navlet Howard and you like Navlet Howard, you would bring Navlet in the house, even if your granddaughter and why you bring the woman in there?
I'm not fair choice.
Well, good. I'm glad you understand that. I'm glad you understand. You mean I think you have a little talk and say, boy, go on, sorry.
Me live by myself, I'm comfortable because I've been there, done that, married and everything.
See it there.
Been hurt, and I'm a good.
Been hurt, so you get bun reach you too. Me tell people say bun reach me when me younger, so nothing wrong. So bun reach you, no?
Of course.
See it there?
Yes, I'm getting off bun.
And you get enough bun too. So you did take your bun like a man, like a gangster.
It hurt, but what we gonna do?
Then if you get enough bun, why the bun are gonna hurt? Then the bun shouldn't hurt like how you get enough bun. Eh?
It will hurt because you love your person.
So the person who you love, because some people say you can't love somebody and I give them bun, I always say a foolishness them attack. But what you think about that?
You can do what you choose, You have your mind on your own.
Right. You can be in love and still cheat on the person who you're in love with. Sure. And it can be real love too.
Definitely.
Right. But some people, them logic is, no, if you did really love the person, you want to cheat on them. So anybody who cheat on somebody, them it can't be that them love the person. And I'm saying that's an illogical statement. But again, that depends on your definition of love,
Cheers.
Right.
But we are gangsters, so we can live by ourselves. When you can do everything for yourself, you're good enough.
Yeah, and that's the thing they don't. Independence around here.
But when you have Bafan, dog, have your supper.
See, when Bafan, you mean in general or like specifically, like you can't cook or what you mean?
Yeah, you have enough fun, can't cook and clean all in bathroom,
Oh, well, I can't clean the bathroom, but when it comes to the cooking part, I'm not too wonderful this, so. But I can't hold my own, though, I can't cook for please myself. I can't cook for please myself.
When woman come to my yard, them say woman must live herself.
Interesting. One of the things I always say is that I'm always amazed when I study the thing I come up. Woman can go in a man room and know if a woman fix anything in that room there, But you are said you neat and clean. When woman go your yard, I say, no man, you can't tell me no woman no live here, sir. And that you say, right?
Definitely.
See it there.
Definitely.
See it there.
To learn them things from your youth, big man.
See it there.
Well, you see, when you can't cook and clean and things, you want to take liberty,
Well, yeah, but even with other things too. Woman will take liberty of you.
We're not going so far.
Yeah, if you're frightened for Juju, woman will take liberty of you. If you're frightened for pretty girl, woman will take liberty of you. If you're frightened for certain things or you're ill equipped with certain things, woman will take. Look how much woman take liberty of DJ Axteel. See it there? So it go,
Yes, boss. Respect, sir.
All right, so big up yourself here.
Yes, my virgin.
Yo, people do remember, so this Sunday is all about TamFam, right? My sister, right? You don't know Tashchina have her thing named Tropical Twist. This Sunday, me I go support her. It start 2 o'clock in the Queens, yeah. DJ Chris Cross a play, but look, brother, DJ Hypeness a play and DJ iLife. And it's a food affair, people. Whole heap of food I got there, $35 and thing. But let me tell you, where I got there for your $35, right? Shrimp, fried chicken, curry goat, fried fish, barbecue ribs, jerk chicken, jerk pork, barbecue wings, shrimp soup, shrimp pasta. My God, you're there. I bet it's a Prezi I go. I bet you Prezi I go with him langot. So you see, when you go with the $35, you have a peppered shrimp, fried chicken and waffles, curry goat, fried fish, barbecue ribs, jerk chicken, jerk pork, barbecue wings, shrimp soup, shrimp pasta, rice and peas, plain rice, salad, dessert table, Papa Jesus. So you know it's a touching thing. I go on. And the new address, it's at a new address. It is at 155-01, 114th Road, 155-01, 114th Road. Me I go that event there. Me I pay my $35 and go there. This Sunday, I will be there. Raga will be there. Proper thing. Tashton, big up yourself. DJ Chris Cross, big up yourself. Right? Again, the address is 155-01, 114th Road. In our Queens. 155-01, 114th Road. Right, yeah, so in our Queens. I want to know, say Navlet I got there with our brand new slim down body, I bust the whole of them. Hold them navlet. Hold them navi. Hold them. Beat out them nastiness. Beat out crosses out of them. Watch it not. Anyway, where they are juggle down and with the Wukliss man or Wukliss woman mix up. A Ragashanti life. Wukliss man or Wukliss woman mix up. Wukliss man or Wukliss woman mix up. And the number to call from Jamaica is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. That's the number for call from Jamaica. 876-676-4996. If you call from the USA or Canada, anywhere in the USA or Canada, the toll-free number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. All TamFam as you know Janet Benbow. Janet Benbow send me a message and cuss out my watch it and say, and several other England people too. I say, I'm going like say, rate London people. I'm going like, rate England people. You know, we want call into. And listen to me. I talked to Bobby Clark about it. I did speak to Bobby Clark about it. And I'm working on a number for the England people them call. Because we know say people stay up and bleach Ragashanti. 3 o'clock in the morning when the show start. The show start 10 o'clock in New York. 3 o'clock in the morning it start over there. And the people them a listen to the show. I saw TamFam things there. I saw Ragashanti things there. Hello, good evening. Wagwan.
Yo, General. You hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. You sound loud and fresh up in the city. We like that. Hear me now.
Yeah.
So on a Friday night, it's from what time to what time?
From 10 o'clock until midnight in New York. From 10 p.m. until midnight on a Friday night.
From 10 to midnight.
Yeah.
Well, hear me now. The income is a man, my love reason, and use a reason. Now, listen to me.
Yes, sir.
We have a switch the talk a little bit here now.
Yeah.
And we have go over to Shakari.
All right, yes.
We have go over to Shakari.
Yeah, we can go Shakari. Yeah.
Of course, I use a man deal with current events, and you know Shakari.
Indeed.
Well,
don't know her personally, but yeah.
Right? Last week when I watched the race, it's a whole heap of Jamaican both up here and yard. A whole heap of them almost have constipation. Whole heap of them have anxiety attack. Why? Through the little girl when him there come start burn a fire under our athletes them. No, hold on. Hold on, Bingy, you. Don't get me wrong, you know.
Yeah.
We rate our athletes.
Yeah.
We rate a female athlete.
Yeah.
Right, sir?
Right.
But Shagga. You hear me, Shagga?
Shagga when I work. Shagga when I work in the night. All right, juggle. Yeah. Yeah. I work with Shagga.
All right,
yeah.
Shagga, hear me now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that name that sound tough. Hear me now, Shagga.
Yeah.
Listen to me.
Yeah.
For years, you know.
Yeah.
The woman named Florence Griffith Gina.
Yeah.
Has held the 100-meter title.
Right.
All right. Big up to Wayne there, Shelley.
Yeah.
Our goat. Greatest of all time.
Yeah.
Shelley mashed down the 100-meter from 2008 up to now. See?
Okay, right.
Still can't go close to Florence Gina's what you call it, our
world record.
Our world record.
Right.
All right. In come Shakari now.
Yeah.
Shakari run out from the stage.
Yeah.
And light a fire.
Yeah.
Underneath Elaine Thompson, our general. And look there. At the fire where what's your name? Where Shakari light under Elaine, you know. It make Elaine run 9.54.
Uh-huh.
So me right now, Shagga, me nah look out against Shakari at all. Me a big up Shakari because This is a competition that Shakara come with.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
It burn up a fire underneath with Jamaican female athletes. It make them have to drag gears.
Nah, hold on. I can't respond now. I cannot respond now.
Galang.
Galang. No, coming like Monday when Mataran attack and she said, yeah, and the galangings. But anyway, all right, a couple of things.
Yeah.
I want you to know, sir, my read of this little girl, Shakari, is that she is from some humble urban background. She have a swag and a kind of flair and whatever. That the way she the way she comports herself in terms of her aesthetics, you know, the color and the confidence and the thing like that and whatever. She have that something there, you know, where based on your language, come kind of pick up, say you kind of you can understand that something there, right? And hold on, and I admire that about her. I like people with a fire them. I like people with a I don't care what the world think. Me I go out there, me I go do my thing. You understand? So I like that something there, you know. And if you're familiar with my history, it shouldn't be surprised because me know about the road less traveled and how people are fight you and whatever and this and that. So I like that something there. That being said, though, along the same lines, she has a tendency, a propensity for what we call bus liberty and dash road. Here's the thing. I don't have a problem with it, you know. I don't have a problem with it. I think it is entertaining and funny. In fact, hold on. I think she thinks it's entertaining and funny, right? But you and me know, say, where we come from, right? If it's one thing you can't accuse Jamaicans of, is not being expressive. We are very expressive. We enjoy being expressive to the point where it annoys people. Jamaicans them always go on like them come in and take over the place. And wait. That is our hallmark, right?
Yes.
We know how to talk. Yes. So, chances are, if you chew a word upon Jamaicans, right? We going to chew a back word upon you just for the fun of it. Just for the fun of it. We have a battle, all right? So, what me see go on in terms of some of the drama we are going out there. I think the people them just have fun. But let's be clear, you know. Jamaicans did not move to Shakari, you know. Shakari started to our word, right? When Shelly Ann did run one good time and the world started talking about it right away, she said, she make a post and I say something to the effect like, hey, look what me make the people them do. Look what me make the people them do, right?
Yeah.
So she loves to make statements where she's referring to herself in the first person. Anytime you hear people making, you know, essentially making a value statement or making a hierarchy statement about who a top or whatever, and them a big up themselves in it, you know say that person is being a provocateur. And again, I don't see anything wrong with it. If our mouth light, that's fine. Jamaica mouth people light too, we take them on too. So my suggestion to you is, perhaps you make two things. The first thing is, you might be misunderstanding what the Jamaicans are doing when they move to war. They're just having fun too. It may sound serious, but it's not that serious. It's like...
No, man. What? Sugar.
Hold on, man. Let me done say my second point now. All right, let me say my second point. My sugar say him second point, right? So me feel say, I just, she a bantan way, and we a say, hey girl, where you come from? Because, all right, somebody, this Shelly and wicked what you know, when I say wicked, you know, and talk about how she favor something, and she go under it and like the post, right? So them take it to her, and them start style her wicked. The second thing, the point to me, I go flat out disagree with you with now. And let me see if you understand this, because I made this point. You have some people run up their mouth and them can't back it up, particularly when it comes to the psychology or whatever battle them in, whether basketball, whatever. Michael Jordan was the biggest trash talker in the history of basketball. Him can't back it up. Muhammad Ali was the biggest trash talker in a boxing. Him back it up. Whatever you may think about Floyd Mayweather, him talk a lot of things and him show off and whatever, but him back it up, don't it? So we have a thing we say, if you can have tough talk make sure you can back it up. You explain to me now, what kind of fire you talk about she put on the Jamaican people when out of 9 people in a race, she come 9th. 9 people in a race and she come 9. What kind of fire you talk about? But she put on the Jamaican thing and whatever. Listen to me. The way what she name they run, I know Shelly and run. Them can cook, them can need some dumpling and cook food and give her while them a race and say, well, this my girl because you need 2 dumplings under your majesty. And what you talk about? What kind of fire? A damn foolish this you talk this up. And Shagga vex about that.
Hold on, Shagga, man. Hold on. Yo, this is the second point there.
Yeah.
This is the second point there. It's tough.
Yeah.
The second point where you make it's logical. It's solid.
My brother, respect to you. Respect to you for that. Yeah.
Give you the second point.
Yeah.
Give you the second point without a doubt. But you know, Shagga, hear me now.
Yeah.
You say social media.
Yeah.
One of the things with social media is that we can see where I go on in real time. Right, Shagga?
Well, in some cases, yeah.
In some cases, but you know, as soon as an incident happens, people can fling it up on YouTube like within 5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And when me say some of them people here, I upload, our Jamaican, I upload some of the things them on YouTube. Ragashanti, listen to me.
Ragashanti is
holy for them people.
No, Ragashanti is indeed listening.
Yo, no, that name is Salah. Yeah. You hear me now? Listen to me.
Yeah.
Man, yo, you can't get that name no more in the store. It's sell out. Yeah, it's gone. Ragashanti, listen to me now. Right?
Yeah.
When you look on some of the posts, some of the people that want to make on YouTube, is a lot of them was under anxiety attack right before the race run. Yes, some of them, I tell you, go on YouTube. Some of them when they take towel and cover them head.
No, but no. What me I say is, me can't understand that perhaps without people who not really did follow the thing as much and know what her capabilities are and actually know what the times that she run, right? Because Shelly and Ilian, right? They were running better times than her. So people who are followed, we never did too. The only person people learned people in the thing that I worry about was Sharika, the one who come third. But anyway, what I'm saying is I can understand that you had identified some consternation amongst the observers of this matter. But but what you had said was that Shakari brought some fire to our Jamaican runners to the point where it made them do better. Hold on. No. What I am saying to you, hold on, man. What I'm saying to you, I think there's this runner from, I better you said the runner from, she have an African name, but I think she must run for either England or one of them places. And 2 other runners. Better you said them there, but now, listen to me, what you have to understand, Shakari full of chat, she run a, all right, I'm going to say something to you, I bet you agree with me. All right. Don't you know, say?
Go on, galang.
Don't you know, say? A flash of excellence is no guarantee it will be sustained.
Yeah.
All right. Good. So I think what happened with Shakari is that she had a flash of excellence. But Mike Tyson, in an interview, he made the point. He said, discipline is the most important thing. They might interview him one time and them say, you're not afraid when you're going at a fight and them something there and whatever, or them people have planned for you for mash up on. And Tyson said, I'm never afraid in the fight. Him say, you know what I'm afraid of? The training. Remember, when him a training, him not have nobody. So he must, and then he make another point. Him say, discipline is the thing where I'm gonna make you be good at what you do, so that when pressure reach you, you don't falter. I swear the interview is out there.
Right.
And if you were to extrapolate from what he's saying, he's saying like not care what go on, in terms of your facade or where you trash talk and whatever. Make sure say you're trained. Make sure say you maintain certain discipline. Make sure say you do what you need for uphold your excellence in it. I think this young girl, Shakari.
Sugar.
Hold on. I think this young girl here, as she grows, she will learn to appreciate the value of that. Because if she continue right now the way she is,
Sugar, you miss what me are saying now. You miss what me are saying now, Sugar. What
when me hear you big up to a level.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. Hear me say. What I'm saying is not the end result of the race.
Yeah.
Me not talk about whether she come second, third, or ninth. I know that me I talk about. What I'm talking about is that I'm glad she came with the hype. Because her coming with the hype, Sugar, put a fire under with Jamaican masterpiece.
No, what I'm saying, and I'm saying I agree with you in the context of we, the observers out here, and frankly, the U.S. media, because you know for them game where them play all the while, right? I agree with you on that level. What I'm saying to you is, from the little bit I know about track, I disagree with you with the actual runner. I wouldn't be surprised if you, when you talk to Elaine and Shelly and whatever, them said to you, no, Sam, I never worry about she. You know who me I worry about? I did so and so. I'm telling you, Shakari is not that good. And that's why she come 9th out of 9 runners.
Hold on. Yo, Ragashanti, you want doctor of psychology. Man like you, my love, raise weight. You drop right in my park with the ball there. Sorry, the ball park. Ragashanti.
Yeah, well, on, just up the talk there, I'm not jumping on the parking where your ball there, you know. Oh.
All right.
Hey.
Turn up that thing. Listen to me now.
Yeah.
I love that name there.
Yeah.
Listen to me now, General. Hear me now.
Yeah.
We there in the ballpark, you know, and we are all a reason, and what we are saying is that it's pertaining to the young lady.
Yes.
The young lady with the hype.
Yeah.
And the fire, where did that come behind her?
Yeah.
Is it put the fire there underneath, what's your name?
Ilian.
And, what the next, and Fraser Price. Why? Because prior to Shakari, none of them never did run them dirty stinking numbers there. 10.54. So although in front of the media, right? American media and Jamaican media, them did play it down like she never no nothing. She was something because prior to her Sugar, none of them ever run them type of numbers there. 10.54. So it has something
well, perhaps in the broader sense, you're right. I'm just saying until ask any woman right now who there with a man for a while, she will tell you, say, me rate that man there when him can hold him standard and put it on for me regularly and whatever, this and that. You have some man out there, them a take gongo and them a take the body pill them and thing and do a one work. And then, you know, that kind of catch a woman. Yeah. And then them can't hold it. And then them things flap after a while and all these things. We know, say, excellence must be sustained. You can't come here with a one-half thing, right? You can't come on stage and sing a one big tune and think the Jamaicans are going to rate you. You better come with it every time because what I'm saying at the business, you're only as good as your last performance. You understand? And right now, for your last performance, it wasn't too wonderful. Hello.
Understood, but what I'm saying, I am not reasoning from the standpoint of her placing.
Okay.
And that's where I come from, Shaga.
Right.
I am coming from the standpoint of the fire which she bring to the race.
Well, yes, she bring her energy. She bring her energy and a hype to it and them stuff. Well, okay.
Yes,
but no. But okay, fine. But me I tell when me I said to you that was more from her mouth than her skill.
No, and also the build up with Nike. Cause now that me I learn more than her, me realize that she in a Nike camp.
Yeah.
And Nike sells sneaker. So Nike.
You never see the ad where she make with Nike. And I say, Ray, well, look a gangster ad where she say, I don't talk. But come up on the truck and rate it. And one bag of something.
I love that.
No, but me I tell you, say, yo, listen to me now. if you look on the TV and see the ad there right, you know, yes, when them sign contract for the ad, them come up with all kind of clause.
Yeah.
Where if the ad for run for 1 year, them come up with all kind of clause where provide provision for them for pull it in case. You know, so Nike pull the ad.
Nike pull the ad?
Oh, you mean? It makes sense.
Well,
no, why you go talk all kind of thing and whatever, and you come 90, you think it's a Nike a idiot?
Hold on. Shagga, listen to me now.
No, hold on, me have to go Lego, because me have to Lego at 12 o'clock.
It's a last part.
Yeah.
Lego. Obviously, you see it in the game.
Yeah.
You see it in the game.
Well, you see it always in the game, but not physically, right? Yeah.
Yeah, so you see the build up with this young lady here.
Yeah.
And
quick. Yeah.
We need her, man. Yo,
I disagree. Me, hold on. I wish her all the best, and I want she grow, I want she get fast, and I agree with you. I want she push Ilian and push Shellyan if she can. But right now, me I go by what the evidence demonstrate, and based on the correlation between our mouth and our performance. Right now, she's not doing too well. So until she can change that, me will defend her.
100%
but right now,
correct.
Good.
100%
Listen to me, that little girl, all her sort out pop down. Listen to me, if you get a run from her, if she give you a run right now, and you're not a sort out, you murder that. I be a chat she have. Should have ball out under treatment and can't manage it. As you look for her, she full of that. She can't even manage. What you mean you can't say that? And Shakari talk me know say I sort out pop down. I sort out pop down. Shakari sort out pop down. Shelly and sort out turn up. Ilian sort out turn up. Shelly and sort out turn up. Ilian sort out turn up. And Shakari sort out pop down. I have to go. All right, big up yourself here.
All right.
Yeah, man, respect.
All right.
People, remember me, I'm going to go over. Well, me not beg, but me ask you. Go over Ragashanti World on YouTube and subscribe to my channel, right? Over there says all things Ragashanti in terms of entertainment and vibes and energy, right? Ragashanti World. Ragashanti World. That's it on YouTube. I want you to go over there. And again, I'm posting up all my past shell-down mix-up shows and all them things there. May I take time put them out. It's going to take me like a couple of years to even put up all of them because 20 odd years where I do this. And I have all of my recordings where I put up. But may I put them up and people enjoy them to the max. You understand? Ragashanti World and my YouTube channel. Go over there, listen to something of them, watch something of them, enjoy them, and all advice. But make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe, right? YouTube, I make me know say half of who go over there. Right? Thousands I want to go over there and watch the content, but you don't subscribe. So make sure you subscribe because it make a difference. There's certain provisions that I want to do over there that I can't do until I have a certain amount of subscribers, particularly 10,000. I mean, only the 5,000 I add. So make sure you subscribe, right? Because YouTube says 49% of who go over there and think when you don't subscribe. So I'm asking you, when you go over there and enjoy the content, subscribe. It's free. It's free. The subscription is free. And make sure you follow The Bridge 99 FM on all social media channel platform. And that's the thing there. The Bridge 99 FM on all social media platforms. See? And lock in for my something like Ragashanti World. Right? So the Bridge depend YouTube to the Bridge depend Facebook the Bridge depend Instagram the Bridge depend everything. So follow the Bridge thing and make sure say on lock in for my thing to over Ragashanti World on YouTube. Ragashanti World. Soon on Monday, me dey back here 9 o'clock Jamaica time, 10 o'clock America time. Monday. Why?